What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to speed up your internet connection on your Windows 10 computer. Before I will say anything, please have a look at these results. It is a speed test took by the world's most popular internet speed testing website, speedtest.net. On the left side of the screen, you are seeing the speed test that we took just before we applied the trick. And on the right side, you're seeing the speed test that we took after applying the trick. I know there isn't a huge difference between these two results, but if you care about getting a few extra Mbps, it will help you. But if you are looking for a solution to double or triple your internet speed, then this is not the one for you. So let's get started. Go to your network adapter icon or Wi-Fi icon. You'll find that on the left side of your taskbar. So right click on it and click on the option Open Network and Internet Settings, and you will see this settings window. Once you're here, navigate to the Change Adapter option and it will open the Control Panel Network Connection window. Once you're here, find your internet adapter. For me, it is this. So right click on it and choose the option Properties, which will bring you the Ethernet properties. Now one, you should double click on the option Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4. And once you're here, make sure you have selected the option Obtain an IP address automatically. Now come down here and change the option Obtain DNS server address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses, which will enable these fields so we can type in our very special DNS server. Before we are doing that, I have to tell you a little something. You might hear about the DNS server in the past or from around old video, how to speed up internet connection on Windows 10. But wait, this is nothing like that. This new DNS server will bring you a faster and secure internet experience. But don't take my words for it, better you can experience it yourself. Now the second thing I have to tell you is about the DNS itself. Actually, every internet provider provides with their own DNS servers, but in most cases, it will be a terrible one. Then there is the public DNS servers, and there are a ton of them out there. For example, let's take a look at this one. It is from the tech giant Google, but I found issues with them lately, as well as it will not work that great for different regions or different connection types. Yes, it will do work better than some other ones on the list, but that's not enough. Anyway, we are not looking for a DNS server, instead we are looking for a best one. So I have found the simple and secure DNS for you, so let's add it to the field and experience a better internet. Type in 1.1.1.1 in the preferred DNS server field, then type in 1.0.0.1 in the alternate DNS server field. Now click on OK and close these windows. I told you it's that simple, but wait, I have a bonus thing to show you as well. If you're using your internet connection on multiple devices, or let's say multiple computers, think adding this DNS server to each and every one of them. It may be a little painful, but there is no need for it. You can also add this DNS server to your main internet modem or router, for example your Wi-Fi router. It's also simple, but the modem configuration is different depending on who manufactured your modem, so you can take this as a basic and do it from there on with your logic. For example, I will show you how to add this DNS server into my Linksys Wi-Fi router. First, you need to go to a browser, no matter any, then simply type in your Wi-Fi router IP or modem IP. It's basically something like 192.168.1.1. Now search it, and you will see something similar to this. It may ask you for a username and password, and if you didn't change the defaults in the past, I think a global standard would be admin and admin. So type in admin as your username and admin as your password. Now click on login and it will let you in. Now we are seeing my Wi-Fi router or modem configuration, and most cases you will land into the setup page. In case if you're not, please find the setup tab, because that's where we need to add our DNS server. Now look for the static DNS, and you can see we have found 3 of them. So let's add the 1.1.1.1 as the static DNS 1. Now add the 1.0.0.1 as the static DNS 2. And you can leave the static DNS 3 field blank. Now click save and you're ready to close your modern configuration, and that's it. For your satisfaction, let's run the test one more and hope you remember the previous test. So that's how you can speed up your internet connection on Windows 10. And I think it's time to show your love for the content. If you don't mind, please leave a like. If you think it helps others, probably share the video, as well as you can subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already. And don't forget to comment your experience so that more people can know this video is a legit and working one. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on another one.